Idgah Maidan, over which this entire case is being heard right now in the Supreme Court. The High Court had allowed, 3 days for the celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi. Supreme Court's hearing it right now. The arguments are taking place. What's happening there on the ground right now? Post the High Court order, Nagarjun, has anything begun to happen? Tomorrow is Ganesh Chaturthi. The festival is 1 day away.
Just few hours before the big Ganesh Chaturthi festival in Karnataka, 2 points of contention here, one at the Hubli Idgah ground and one at the Bengaluru Idgah Maidan, which the Revenue Department calls today as survey number 40 ground. I am coming to you from Chamarajpet Idgah Maidan ground. Behind me you can see the series of police officials who are waiting for the Supreme Court verdict. They are all watching keenly the Supreme Court verdict as we speak. That is the DCP West Zone, Mr. Lakshman Nimbargi also. Let me take you along with me in the Idgah Maidan ground. I will show you the security deployment here. Look at the barricades put in, Shiv, completely beefed up. Look at the amount of police vehicles surrounded. There's a rapid action force deployed at the ground. That is the minar that we are talking about. Here, in the last 200 years, according to the Waqf board, only Ramzan and Bakrid festivals were celebrated. Look at the amount of police vehicles already deployed here. The police have completely turned this ground into a fortress. They are saying 3 DCP level officers will be put up here for the next 3 to 4 days, making sure that there's no untoward incident. A rapid action force also is there today. They took out a route march. In Chamarajpet area to build the confidence among the people here. This is a communally sensitive area, Shiv. Both Hindus and Muslim live here, and the local MLA Zamir Ahmed Khan, who initially said Ganesh festival won't be allowed in this ground, and that's when the right-wing group started to put pressure on the government, saying, how dare he says that this is a government property. If Ramzan can be celebrated, Ganesh Chaturthi can also be celebrated. The police have taken a note of the High Court order which allowed festival to happen, but now the ball is in the Supreme Court. The officials are also waiting for us to get back and tell them what exactly happened. Most of them are also watching the Supreme Court proceedings on their phone as well. So all eyes on the Supreme Court in the next few hours. Depending on that, the police will take a call either to put a Ganesha here, a Ganesha pendal here, or not. But however, the CM has completely instructed that no matter what, even if Supreme Court permits, give protection to the ground. Even if Supreme Court doesn't permit, make sure the protection is given to the ground as well. So no communally untoward incidents should happen tomorrow.
Okay, no communally untoward incidents should happen tomorrow, but the state government is not taking any chances apparently. We can see, security deployed as well, Naga. No untoward incident, but obviously the state doesn't want to take any chances also.
That is true. That is absolutely true, Shiv. They don't want to take the Chamarajpet ground to have any communal fight here. We have seen what has happened in Bengaluru, the number of deaths that has happened in coastal Karnataka. The Home Minister has been cornered by the opposition. So at this point of time, can the government afford to have another communal fight, which is a big question mark? So let me show you what exactly is happening. They look at that rapid action force also walking towards the city law and order police, not just Bengaluru police. Kolar district, Chikbalapur district, Tumkur district, locally surrounding districts, police have also assembled in this ground. So this has never happened. I was just talking to a local senior cop who was saying that in the last 50 years he has never seen such security arrangements done in Chamarajpet Idgah Maidan. The senior officials have camped right here in front of the ground as well. Let me try showing you the senior officials who are just beside the ground, who are not moving an inch from the ground since morning, since the High Court verdict when it came. Since then, you can see all the senior officials there camped right here, making sure that nothing happens there. I had a route march already this morning by the Additional Commissioner West. Now the DCP West is also here. You can see the number of cars, also police cars here. No one's moving an inch, Shiv, to make sure that nothing happens. And it's an election here. Remember, the government also has a lot at stake. The Congress party also has a lot at stake. It's not just religious sentiment here, but a lot of politics also being done.